Alright, welcome back everyone. We've got an upgrade on the tool situation. I got some of these. It's a drill set similar to what I've been using, only these guys have this base that my drill can actually grab onto. So that should be a good addition. We'll find out tonight. I also got this. Now I know it's not an actual Dremel set. It's the Harbor Freight generic equivalent, and it was about $25. So let's open this baby up and check it out. Alrighty, here's how it comes. We've got looks like the sanding heads here, and some kind of soft thing, some kind of metallic doohickey. There's a screw of some sort. Looks like some sand discs there. Yes, sandpaper there. So let's see here. Sandpaper thing. Sandpaper thing. Sandpaper thing. Bunch of sandpaper things. This head looks like a holder thing of some sort. Probably for one of these bits. Probably have to read the instructions to find that out. Some kind of whetstone it looks like, or sanding block maybe. Let's see, here's some other sand discs. Bunch of sanding discs of various sizes and grits it looks like. Alright, so there's that. I think that's for buffing. And then this thing, looks like this is more tools. So we've got some kind of rough cone of some sort. Rough sphere. Here's that. Here's a spanner. Something else. Sure I'll learn what all these are. Alright. Here is the unit itself. Something there, or it's just the, I don't know. What's that, speed? Looks like speed. Feel the need for a speed wheel. Alrighty. Looks cool. And here's the instructions. Oh, here we are. So let's see here. Sanding disc are these things. These things, yeah, sanding discs. B, which is a buffing wheel. So that's this thing? Must be this thing. Okay, buffing wheel. C is brass collet, whatever a brass collet is. I only see one of them though. Square stone dresser. Wire wheel brush. Drill bit. Cut off wheel, 3 of them. It must be these things. So these are the sanding discs, and then these are the cut off wheel. Wrench. J, soft brush. Yeah, don't have that. Diamond burr. What's K? K is diamond burr. Ah. This thing right here, diamond burr. Okay, 2 of those. Mandrel. What's a mandrel? Yeah. That's these things here. I'll figure out what all this stuff is here at some point. And M, grinding stones. Here's the grinding stones. And there's different grits here, it looks like. So A, B, 1C. Now, oh boy, and all the parts here. If I were to take this apart, that's what it would look like. So we have the drums. I guess we have those. But I don't have, I don't know, is that? No, that's the buffer. Soft brush, yeah. Soft brush. Unless it rolled under something, which I don't see. Oh well. We'll figure it out. Throw all this stuff in here. And throw this thing in here. All right. Well, that's the new Dremel-like device.